how to use Presenter View in Google Slides. Now, to initiate the process, first launch your preferred web browser. You can create a new Google Slides presentation by typing slides.new into the address bar and hitting enter. Once your Google Slides interface is open and you've added some content to your slides, you'll see a variety of options in the top right corner. Navigate to where it says Slideshow and click on the drop-down arrow that's right next to it. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says Presenter View. Go ahead and click on it. Now, the Presenter View is a powerful tool that you would use during a live presentation. It gives you a private view of your slides, where you can see your speaker notes and preview the upcoming slides without your audience seeing what you are doing. And just like that, you've learned how to use the Presenter View in Google Slides. Now you can handle your presentation seamlessly without worrying about forgetting your topics or getting caught unprepared for the next slide.